This is the pop hip wrap skirt navel exposed dress. So this looks like almost like it could be two separate pieces maybe when you first look at it, but it is attached. It just has a little cutout at the front of the dress. So really gorgeous one-piece dress. I absolutely love the fit of this one. I like that you have a little bit of midriff showing, but it's just a very small sliver overall once you have it on. The top piece too still has a little bit of coverage in the chest, which is great. So you're still going to be warmer or a little bit more covered in this dress, but have a little bit of leg out. As you can see, I love the back coverage, gives you great contouring. And because of where the knot is placed here, you get a ton of lift on your bust. So that's perfect. No bra required. If you don't want to wear one, you could definitely place one with it as well. I would say it is a little bit more snug fitting in the top. So if you are bustier, perhaps size up. I'm usually right between a medium or large. I did go with the medium in this case. It did fit and give a lot of good lift. However, a large could have worked for me as well, I think. I absolutely love this one though. It comes in a black as well as this red color, as well as a deeper turquoise. So lots of great, stunning colors, super affordable dress. It is 97% polyester and 3% spandex, and the long sleeves keep you warm and cozy. I'm a huge fan of this one. Definitely recommend.